In this video, we will look at some of the options available to modify the date. So let's create a new class. The class name is date modify example. Now let's create public static void main. We will first get a local instance of the date, LocalDate. LocalDate is equal to new LocalDate is equal to LocalDate.now. Now we want to get the date 4 days from now. So our use case is get date 4 days from now. So what you'll do is that LocalDate. Let's start with the system.out south v, and here LocalDate dot plus days and 4. Let's run this example. So today is 22nd, so it is printing 26. So it is giving me an instance of the date which is 4 days from now. And also we need to remember is that the local date object is immutable. So when you are assigning the local date a new value, then it takes a value to create a new instance of the local date and assign that value to it. But in this case, for example, if I print the local date again, then the value will be same, which is LocalDate.now. So let's do that. South v, and let's run this example again. So local date is 22nd, but then plus 4 days was 26. If you want to assign this local date to the new instance, then what you need to do is that you need to get this value, and local date is equal to local date dot plus days and number of days is equal to 4. In this way, it will create a new instance of the local date and will assign this local date this value of this local date. And let's print this out. And here again, now what we'll do is a local date is equal to LocalDate dot now. So you can see that local date here is 26, and local date dot plus 4 days is now 30th, and local date after assigning it back to now is 22nd. Now let's look at another example where we'll be returning local date with plus months is equal to 2. So let's run this. Let's create this south v and LocalDate dot plus months and 2. Now let's run this. So plus month is now March. Now let's see another example where we'll be increasing the year. So LocalDate dot plus years and 2. Let's run this example again. So this instance is 22nd. Now the similar way, if you wanna decrease, like you can decrease it by days, months and years. So let's write an example of minus days and 10 days. So today is 22nd and it is giving me 12. You can also specify a specific value with option, like let me show you, south v and LocalDate dot with and year. Let's make it 2023. Let's run this. It's now 23. So with the option also has days and months. Now let's look at example with chrono field. So in this case, we'll be increasing the year by using the chrono field. So in this case, LocalDate dot width, and so it requires temporal field, and we'll increase it by chrono field. So chrono field, and let me bring it down. Chrono field dot year, and here provide 2025. Also, let's look at an example of temporal adjuster. So southv and LocalDate dot width, and temporal adjusters. Let me bring it down. And temporal adjusters dot last day of month. So automatically adjusted to the last day of the month.